Hi and welcome to Defense Web TV's news channel. In today's report, we dive into the performance of the German-made Gepard anti-aircraft combat vehicles, showcasing its combat capabilities against drone threats in the ongoing Russian-Ukrainian war. We also explore Germany's to plan an upgrade of the Gepard fitted with a new radar and tracker system. But first, what is the Gepard? Let's take a closer look.
Today, we are diving into the impressive performance of a Cold War anti-aircraft system based on Leopard 1 tank that's making waves in the modern battlefield. The German-made Gepard self-propelled anti-aircraft system, developed in the 1960s by the German defense company Krauss-Maffei-Wegmann and introduced in the 1970s, the Gepard has become a cornerstone of Ukraine's air defense in the war with Russia, especially against drones and low-flying aircraft. The secret sauce behind the Gepard's effectiveness lies in its advanced radar system. Equipped with both search and tracking radars, this vehicle can detect and engage multiple targets simultaneously. The S-band search radar boasts a detection range of up to 15 kilometers, while the Q-band tracking radar ensures precise target engagement. A former Gepard commander even mentioned how the system's radar can lock onto small, fast-moving targets, making it particularly deadly against drones. Now, let's talk firepower. The Gepard is armed with two 35mm Oerlikon KDA automatic cannons, firing at a combined rate of 1,100 rounds per minute. These high-velocity rounds have an effective range of up to 6 kilometers, reaching a maximum altitude of 3,000 meters. There's a documented case where a Gepard took out a Shahed suicide drone, showcasing its rapid response and efficiency. Using autocannons instead of missiles also keeps costs down, enabling Ukraine to defend its skies without breaking the bank. Mobility is another ace up the Gepard's sleeve. Built on the Leopard 1 main battle tank tracked chassis, the Gepard is powered by 10-cylinder multi-fuel, developing 800 horsepower, offering a maximum road speed of 65 kilometers per hour and up to 50 kilometers per hour in off-road conditions, thanks to its tracked design and turret-mounted weaponry. The Gepard also has an auxiliary power unit that keeps its radar and fire control systems running independently. Cost efficiency is crucial in prolonged conflicts, and the Gepard delivers here too. A Ukrainian Air Force spokesperson noted its favorable cost-to-kill ratio, making it a unique, efficient alternative to expensive missile systems. Germany's commitment, with initial pledges and additional units from Jordan and Qatar, has bolstered Ukraine's air defense. And to tackle ammunition supply issues, Germany even tasked Rheinmetall with producing new 35mm rounds. Despite its age, the Gepard remains a formidable asset in Ukraine's arsenal. It has proven its worth against drones, loitering munitions, and even cruise missiles. For example, a Gepard unit near Odessa shot down 10 Iranian-made drones in succession, and another took out a Russian Kh-101 cruise missile targeting Kyiv. As the conflict rages on, the demand for Gepards and similar systems shows no signs of waning. While future advancements might shift the focus to missile and laser-based systems, the Gepard's blend of targeting accuracy, firepower, mobility, and cost-effectiveness ensures it remains a vital part of Ukraine's air defense strategy. Recently, German defense company KNDS Deutschland proposed an upgraded version of the Gepard self-propelled air defense system in collaboration with Ukraine, equipped with a modernized radar and enhanced tracking system to improve interception capabilities against different types of aerial threats. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into military tech, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content. Cheers!